Hello guys again, and today is about testing this Parkside Jigsaw model PSTK 800B2. First of all, we have the on-off switch. It's already powered. This is the button for how soft or hard you want to be your cutting mechanism. Is from 0 to 3. We have the airflow on and off, and this is the air flowing system. Here we have the speed from 1 to 6. Next we have this system that's unlock the rotation, the angle rotation, how we want to cut, and to be straight again just go here and click it behind and it locks, and you can lock it again from here, just like that. Next we have those two screws that you can put the guide, and just like that, and then you can cut very straight. We have the laser guide and the light and the laser together, or the light, only the laser, and off. Here's the button, just like that, but the laser is a little bit off, and that's for we have this screw here, and is adapting the laser to be straight. That's very nice. In our traditional, we need to cut something like that. Okay, now we're going to lock it very tight, both of the sides, and then we can see the laser line, how it moves. I think we will do a very straight line cut. Now we need to install the blades for the wood, and this is the one. To install them, take out this plastic. There is just push that, lock it, and it's okay. Very nice. If you want, you can install the plastic again. I have connected my vacuum. It's very easy. I put it on 6 maximum. Let's start. As you see, it cuts very smoothly, very nice. No vibration, no movements, and you don't have to use these guides. No, only with your eye, not even the laser. The laser is not doing very good job. It's only for fancy, etc., for a design. Only with your eyes, and you will do a very nice cutting look board. Very smoothly. Thumbs up, I like it. It's doing very good job. Now I will try to cut on an angle. again, very smooth, cuts very good and in an angle. Maybe sometimes it will getting away from your straight line, but 1, 2, 3 times you will learn it and you will see you will have very good results. Well guys, that was all the testing about this jigsaw. Thank you for watching again. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.